This is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to begin with, let's check whether we have the nearby share tile among the control panel shortcuts. As I can see, here it is. If you don't have the icon for it over here, just edit the layout by tapping at the pencil icon and adding it by holding and dragging the needed tile from here. So once done, touch and hold at the shortcut, turn on the use nearby share switch. Next we can rename the device or the alias under which our smartphone will be visible and discoverable to other devices. So I'll name it to, let's say, HardReset.Pixel. Then you can change the device visibility mode. You can completely make it invisible or make it so that other ones can see it. And inside the, visibility mode, inside the fact that it is, or the state that it is visible in, you can also change the mode. So you can make it so that it will be only visible to your devices, only to people from your contacts list, or to everyone that is in range or who is in range. The final option or specification that we can change is the data mode or data type that will be used for the file transfer. And finally, make sure that, if possible, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data are all enabled. In my case, everything is active. So from here, let's say I want to send some photo to my Google Pixels through the nearby share. So I'll just do exactly that. Nearby. Wait until the pixel gets discovered, then tap on it, accept at the receiver's end, and here we have our picture. Just like so, you can send files, images, photos, documents, and what's not. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.